Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcia, and today I'm bringing you guys a full face of Too Faced products. I went through my makeup collection and noticed that I had a lot of Too Faced stuff. I was just missing a couple things and I went to go pick them up at Sephora. So I picked up the Sex on the Peach kit that comes with the Better Than Sex mascara, the Peach Perfect powder, the primed and peachy primer, the setting spray. That's pretty much what I was missing. The only thing I'm missing is concealer. I do know that they came out with a concealer, the new one, the Born This Way. I don't know, it's like the big one. I really wanted it, but yo, that shit's expensive and they didn't have my shade, so I'm like, I'm not gonna just buy an expensive concealer just to have it. I'm gonna wait until they get my shade, but I have 99.9% of the things. I did used to have a Too Faced clear lip gloss and I can't find it anywhere. I think it was called Girl on Top or something like that, and I can't find it, so I had to just use a normal clear gloss. But this one's from Beauty Treats. I do own a Too Faced clear lip gloss that I really love. It's in one of the cars I've been in, or it's either at work, I don't know, it's somewhere. So yeah, we're gonna move on from that. So if you guys are interested into seeing my opinion on Too Faced and this full face of Too Faced products, just keep watching. So we're gonna start with brows. I don't have a brow powder, but I do have eyeshadow palettes. I noticed when I went to Sephora to pick up the stuff I was missing from Too Faced that they had like a powder thingy, a brow powder, and it was the exact same color as the Triple Fudge eyeshadow in the Too Faced palette. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Oh, I love this palette. I got this for Christmas from my parents, so I'm gonna use Triple Fudge, which is this color right here, to fill in my brows. So I am going to brush up the hairs. I hope this look comes out good because I might be going to Six Flags after this. Also, my phone case is a full-on mirror. A lot of people are like, why is she using the back of her phone to do her makeup? It's because yeah. So I'm just gonna fill. Yeah, the shade is literally perfect. Like, it was the exact same color as the brow powder that I saw at Sephora. So I was like, what's the point of buying it if it's the same color and it's literally powder? So if you guys want to save that coin, buy the palette. If you have a palette, you don't need to buy. I'm gonna just cut out concealer altogether in this tutorial. So I'm gonna do the other brow and I'm going to clean them up with the concealer. I don't know which one I'm gonna use, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so both brows are done. I really like how they look. I actually like them better than when I use pomade. Not too bad, not too bad. Well, I really like their eyeshadows, so I was kind of expecting liking this. So yeah, I'm gonna move on to eyes. I do have the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. This is a deluxe sample size that I had forever. I have so many primers that, well, I actually don't wear eyeshadow as much as I used to. And this product, guys, a little goes a long way, so you don't really need to be using too much product. I'm gonna blend it in with the concealer all together. Guys, my grandpa, aka Morgan Freeman, is here. So if you watched my Haiti vlog, you know that it was his birthday in April when we went to Haiti, and he came to visit us here in Montreal. I called him Morgan Freeman because everybody thinks he looks like Morgan Freeman on my video. All of the comments were like, yo, your grandpa looks like Morgan Freeman. Yo, is that Morgan Freeman? So for eyes, I have two palettes. I have the Sweet Peach palette, and I also have the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I think I'm gonna use this one because it's really nice out today. It's like a really nice sunny day, and I don't want to go with something too dark, and I feel like this is more of like a nighttime nudes type of palette. So I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna go into the shade Peaches and Cream, which is right here. It's kind of like an off-white color, to set the primer and set my lids. Daisy Marquez doesn't set her lids when she does like the cut crease, and I'm just like, I think she just doesn't set her lids, and it looks beautiful, but like every time I try to do it, it literally makes my skin crawl. It just doesn't look nice. Okay, so in my crease, I'm gonna go into Candied Peach right here. And I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. I usually go with Puree because that's like one of my favorite colors. But I really want like a nice peachy. Should I do a peachy look? Because I'm wearing red. Isn't that gonna like look weird? On verra. So this kind of has like shimmer in it. It's like a matte with like specks of glitters. But we can work with it. Doesn't matter. It's not like super matte. I love this color. Oh my god. Oh, I'm using a Morphe M501 brush. As usual, ever since I've had this brush, this has been my favorite of all time. Some people use it for a highlight. I want to order another one just for highlight. Okay, I just got a request for a mukbang from my friend. Shout out to Ali. I'm gonna do a mukbang just for you. I have a lot of guy friends that watch my videos, but I feel like he just told me like, yo, I'm a good friend, so I watch your videos, but I'm really tired of watching makeup, so I'm gonna do a mukbang just for you, bro. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Just Peachy, which is right on top of Candied Peach, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid, and I'm gonna spray it with my CC Glam Rose Water spray. Shout out to them, they sent me a PR package because I ran out of my first spray, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. Yo, the best part about this palette is that it actually tastes like peaches. Like, it tastes sweet. Whenever the powder falls into your mouth, I'm not like, but if I'm talking and doing my eyeshadow like I am right now, it's gonna taste sweet. I'm gonna use my finger just so that color can show up a little more. I feel like this color isn't really showing up, so I'm gonna go into Bellini with my finger again. Bellini is like this nice peachy champagne shade, holographic shade, just to give it more depth. I still want something daytime appropriate, so I feel like this is fine. Okay, so I'm gonna apply lashes. First I wanna apply mascara. So in the Sex on the Peach set, you get the Better Than Sex mascara. In the Sex on the Peach set, you get a Sex on the Beach. Fuck. In the Sex on the Peach set, you get a Better Than Sex mascara. So this set was $55 plus tax Canadian, and that shit hurt. But you get a full size Better Than Sex mascara, which is worth $30, and you get a Peach Perfect powder, which is worth $40. So you already have your money's worth in the set. I usually never do this. I usually apply mascara after applying my lashes, but because I want to see how this performs, I'm gonna apply mascara before. I used to have this mascara a long time ago, and I haven't repurchased it yet. Wow, this feels nice. This feels nice. Jesus Christ, my eyebrows look ridiculous. This isn't even like overhyped, this product. Like, this has become a cult favorite. This is like, everyone has tried this. Everyone has owned one before. Repurchasing it didn't really bother me. I think I had like a sample size or something, like a deluxe. Yeah, I did. I had a deluxe sample size that came with the shadow insurance. I used to have like that small kit at Sephora. Look at my eyelash, guys. Ooh. But I'm still gonna wear falsies. Wow, my lashes do look so nice, guys. So nice. I like this. I feel like this mascara is like the best one I own. That's bad because this mascara isn't cheap, but I do feel like it is worth the money, especially if you are a natural lashes type of girl. If you do not like wearing falsies, I would really suggest getting this mascara. I'm gonna go into the Dodo lashes in the style D105, I think. Yes, D105. These are my favorite lashes from this model. Is my favorite model from Dodo lashes, and they're really inexpensive. Also, I will link my discount code down below for you guys. I just applied the lashes. Look how nice and fluffy they are. I love them. We're gonna move on to the face. In the kit, you get the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I don't really mess with mattifying primers like that, but we'll see how I feel about this one. It says it's cooling though, so I'm a little confused because usually cooling primers are like supposed to be like hydrating primers. I don't know, we'll see. I applied this much on my face. Oh, it is cooling, and I can feel my face literally mattifying. What the fuck? My face is so matte. Oh my god, I have dry skin. It's like a comfortable matte because I have dry skin. So for foundation, I have the Too Faced Born This Way Indetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. I really like this foundation. The only problem I have with this foundation is that thing oxidizes like a bitch. So this color seems perfect, right? Wrong. It's perfect like this, and then you put it on your face and then you turn dark, like super dark. So just to be safe, because I am going out, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This one's a tiny bit too light for me. So this seems light, but it's going to oxidize to the color I want it to be, hopefully. I'm using a BH Cosmetics like kabuki brush to blend this out. That primer made my face so matte. If you have oily skin, that's good, but if you have dry skin, yo, this feels uncomfortable. I'm just gonna pump that into my skin using that Sigma sponge that I love so much. Maybe it's the lights, but I feel like my face is really, really matte. So I applied concealer. I just skipped concealer because I don't have a Too Faced concealer like I said in the beginning. I'm just going to set my under eyes using the Peach Perfect Too Faced. What the hell? Get shit together. I'm gonna set my face using the Peach Perfect Setting Powder. This is a mattifying setting powder infused with peach and sweet fig cream. There's a lot of product in this. I really like the packaging also. I'm just gonna dump some out into the lid. So I'm just gonna use that and set my under eye. I haven't seen my... It tastes like peaches. Oh my god. I should sprinkle this shit on top of my pancakes. I'm dead ass eating like the powder right now. Wow, my under eyes look so nice.
Stop.
Taste it.
Hell no.
No, just taste it. Just taste
Hell
it.
No.
Babe, just taste it.
No.
Jimmy, just taste it. You're lame. You taste like candy.
When you taste it.
I did taste it. Look. Okay, so Jimmy missed me too much. I hope you guys don't mind him being in the back. He was in the living room for what, half an hour, and he's like, can I come back in the room? So to set the perimeter of my face, because I don't like baking for too long, I always use the excess powder to set the rest of my face. So I just like bring it down. As I'm brushing it off, I'm using it to set the rest of my face. So to bronze my skin, I'm gonna go into the Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Bronzer, and it looks like so. I really like this bronzer. I am into more satiny, like shimmery bronzers during the summer, but I don't mind using this one. So I don't really like contouring. I only like bronzing my face, just like usual. I don't have blush. I don't have blush. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I know what to do. I'm gonna go into the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm gonna mix Summer Yum and Just Peachy just to have like a nice satiny finish blush. Yo, my face is so matte, bro. Like, what? Turns out that this palette is like good for everything. Brows, blush, eyeshadow. And to spoke out my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go back into Candied Peach using a Morphe M441 brush. But I wanna deepen it up a little, so I'm just gonna go into Summer Yum. In the inner corner, I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm gonna use the color Creme Brulee right here. I'm also going to apply whatever's left on the brush in my brow bone. To set my brows, I'm going to go back into the Better Than Sex mascara because I always set my brows with mascara. I just feel like it looks better. You can see the brow hairs a lot better. As for highlight, I'm going to go into the Too Faced Love Light You Light Up My Life highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It is darker than most of my other ones, but I really like it. It is a really nice gold shade. I'm gonna set my face using the Too Faced Peach Mist. It is the mattifying setting spray. It says shake me baby, so I'm guessing I have to shake, shake, shake. Last but not least, it is the lips. I do have quite a lot of Too Faced lip glosses. actually have a clear one that I can't seem to find anywhere, like I mentioned before, but I do like it a lot. It's just clear. There's nothing like special. It's not gonna change the look if I used another clear gloss. Since we're in a peach vibe, I'm gonna go into Hopeless Romantic. So I'm just gonna apply the gloss in the center of my lips. So I overdrew my lips a little because I actually really like that look. And I'm just going to top it off with a clear gloss. Turns out this one is Peach from Beauty Treats, but I just want to give a glossy finish. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which ones of the Too Faced products are your favorite. Link them down below or comment down below. I do really like the mascara, and I like all the stuff I had previously. Unfortunately, the Peach collection is not for me. I feel like my skin is going to crack because I do have dry skin. I would 100% suggest it to anyone that has dewy or oily skin. This is going to keep your face matte to the gods, I swear. So yeah, I really like how the look came out. I do like it, but not like crazy about it, simply because I don't feel comfortable. Like my skin does not feel comfortable. So if you do have dry skin, I wouldn't suggest you to use the Peach collection. It does smell nice. It tastes amazing. It looks nice, it's just not comfortable. So I do love Too Faced, and I'm sorry I didn't have all of the products. I do not get PR from Too Faced yet, you know. Too Faced, holla at your girl. No, I really love their products usually. I love 90% of the products. It's honestly the fact that the Peach collection is so mattifying. It's doing its job like too much, you know, for me, because I do have dry skin. So dry skin girls, no. Oily skin girls, yes. Yeah, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram at Darcia Dorilas. You will see pictures with this look, probably. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.